firearm. Did you see the firearm that he was carrying?
Ukwazile ukusibona lesibhamu. Uyawasibona lesibhamu bakasiphethe.
Ngambona ephethe isibhamu, ngangithi waqhamuka ephethe isibhamu so ngathi umuntu odlalayo something.
I saw the firearm as the witness demonstrated that, including his right arm, saying that he was in position of firearm like this.
And
but initially I thought that he was a person who was playful.
And also did not look directly at that firearm.
Then this time I just look at him slightly.
Okay. And then in your statement number A110, my lord. The statement. A110. Tumelo, there is a statement that you made on the 7th of February 2018.
The statement was says in February 2018.
You see that statement? It's marked A110. It's dated at Durban on 7th of February 2018. You see that one?
We are still trying to find a statement.
Can the statement be uploaded, my lord?
Yes, we got the statement.
Paragraph 5. You see that statement?
Yes, I can see the paragraph number 5.
It says, I don't have knowledge of firearm. I don't know or remember the color of the firearm. However, I remember that the firearm looked old and was rusted. The guy with the firearm was wearing a Scotch hat. In the township, we call such hat, he was wearing a sporty. Do you see that paragraph?
Yes, I can see that part.
Has it been interpreted to you? What I've just read.
Kodwa awukhumbuli futhi awunalo ulwazi lombala wesibhamu kodwa uyakhumbula ukuthi mawusibuka lesibhamu sasigugile futhi sirusile uyazwisa Nkosi yami. And then lo umlisa noma lo mfana bekaphethe lesibhamu lesi bekagqoke isigqoko esiskosh and then lapha elokishini isibiza ukuthi isport.
Angikwazile ukusport.
I don't know about this issue of sporting.
This is coach.
I only know that it's a hat,
but
which is coach.
You see that I'm reading it from your statement.
Yes, I can see that, but then about the sport, I mean, just this person, he just thought about it by himself and wrote it down. The only thing that I know is
don't rush on denying issues. Do you see that this is contained in your statement, and this statement has already been admitted as an exhibit before this court?
We are one of the local corner statement. The foot statement is some njengofakazi la enkantolo. Ungasheshi ukuphikisa izinto.
I'm denying something I deny.
I
don't deny. I deny in what way? Can you please explain to me the denial?
We are confusing the proceeding. I told you. We are not answering. We are not putting questions to me. Do you understand like that, Mr. Madlala?
Lalela ke akumelanga ukuthi ungibuze imibuzo. Ngiyakuzisa lokho.
Yebo ngiyabuza mangizwa kahle ngendlela kanjani ngabuza.
If I don't understand clearly, what is it that I must do? I'm not supposed to ask.
You don't ask. You tell me to repeat the question.
It's understood.
In this statement, did you understand what I've read into the record? Yes, I do hear. You have just mentioned that you slightly look at the firearm. How come were you able to look at the firearm and being able to realize that it was old and also rusted?
Uqeda ukusho ukuthi ubheke lesibhamu usijona nje kuze kanjani ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ukuthi lesibhamu lesesigugile futhi sirusile.
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu afike ephethe isibhamu ngeke ungasibuki because uma wabona sona isibhamu ubona ukuthi uzokubamba inkunzi ngeke ungathuki.
As I've said that I observed at this intruder so that was in position of the firearm. Then if you say firearm, there is no way that you cannot be sure because you don't know if it's going to rob you.
You did not have, Mr. Madlala, you did not have enough time to look at the firearm. Let's admit that.
Azange ube nesikhathi esanele sokuthi ubuke lesibhamu lasivumelane lapho mnumzane Madlala.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's correct.
And what is written here is not correct because you did not pay much attention at the firearm.
Lokho kubhalwe la akusile iqiniso ngokuthi azange ukuthi ukwazi ukusibukisise lesibhamu lesi.
But ngabona ukuthi isibhamu ngibone kanjani.
But I saw that it was a firearm.
You saw that it was a firearm, but you couldn't see that it was old and rusted.
Futhi azange ukwazi ukubona ukuthi sidala sigugile futhi sirusile kodwa wakwazi ukubona ukuthi
In
isibhamu.
other words, you couldn't see the detail of that firearm because you slightly looked at that firearm.
Ngamanye amagama akwazi wazange ukwazi ukubona ingcukaca zonke ama details wonke ngalesibhamu ngokuthi uthi umbheke ngokutshontsha nje. Yes.
Thank you. Let's move on, Mr. Tumelo. Then you said that person was wearing a hat.
Yes.
Uthi lo muntu bekagqoke isigqoko.
My Lord, can I ask that the photo number 5 and 6 be shown on the screen of Exhibit A, my Lord? Sorry.
Yes.
Of Exhibit A. Can you see that hat, Mr. Madlala?
Yeah, ngiyasibona.
Yes, I can see it.
Is this the hat that you are referring to?
Yes, lesigqoko ukhuluma ngaso.
Yes, sona sengikhuluma ngaso.
Yes, this is the hat I'm referring to.
And you are saying this hat is the one that was worn by the first person?
But lesigqoko yiso lesigqokiwe lo muntu oqala.
Besisikothinyana ngicela ungisondezele. Besisikothinyana esincane.
Zoom it, can you?
Can you please enlarge it a little bit?
Or you can go closer a bit just to have a look.
Ungasondela ukuthi ukwazi ukusibona.
Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi yiso because yiso ngathi mangibuya ngasikhomba ukuthi uthe sabani. Ngicabanga ukuthi isona.
I think this is the same hat because when I came back, I inquired who's the owner of this hat.
Yes. And what did they say?
Bathini,
Bathi angasithinti.
Okay.
they said that I should not touch it.
But you could see that it was still the same hat that was worn by the first person that you saw inside the house.
Ukwazi ukubona ukuthi yiso lesigqoko besigqoke uyo lo muntu ombone ngaphakathi
Yebo,
endlini.
yebo.
That's correct.
How long did it take you to look at this person when he entered the house?
Kukuthatha isikhathi singani ukuthi ubuke lo muntu ngesikhathi angelapha endlini.
Hayi ukuthi yonke into beyenzeka ngokusheshsha nanomuntu ngeke umbone if into yenzeka akufani noma ingenzeki kuwena.
Just answer.
This thing
Fast.
happened fast.
Fast.
Yenzeke ngokusheshsha. Yes.
It happened fast. Okay. Do you know, Mr. Madlala, that that hat was taken for DNA analysis?
Uyazi ukuthi lesigqoko lesathatha ukwenziwa ihlolo libo noma i-DNA?
Angazi.
You don't know.
Yes.
I don't know.
The state never informed you about that.
Umbusi zangu ukutshele ngalokho.
Angazi ke kumuntu ongichazela ngaleyo.
No one informed about that.
The results, the DNA results that came for that hat said that hat belonged to a female person.
Lo hlolo fuzo imiphumela yakhona
through this, and we pointed out that we'll call a DNA expert to come and explain that. And this question is not correct because that is not the profile that was found on the hat. we therefore request, my Lord, that the question should not be allowed.
Yes.
Sorry, my Lord, I did not get, there is no profile. The results were that it belongs to a female person, my Lord.
My Lord, as I explained, we've been through this. We explained that the question that is being put, that there was a profile of a female person, is not correct. The report will be presented in due course, the DNA report, as well as the table that was used to analyze the DNA profile on the head. And we're saying that the question that is being put is not correct. The profile that was found on the head was a mixture, and we submit, my Lord, that that question should be reserved for the expert when he comes to testify.
There you are.
My Lord, may I ask that this question be allowed? The state is misleading the court to say there is a report that will come to prove the adverse of what I am informing this court. My Lord, I'm just looking for that report. I'll just show it to the court, which shows that the results of that head reflected that the head belonged to a female person. And my Lord, the relevance of this question, why I'm putting it to this witness before the forensic evidence on this head is led, it's because this witness has testified that he positively identified this head as the head that was worn by a male person whom he recognized inside the house. So my Lord, I'm asking this honorable court to allow this question provisionally to be verified from this witness so that the witness can comment on that.
My difficulty is that the two of you are telling me versions that are opposed to one another. You are saying the DNA profiling proved that the head, I don't want to use belongs,
Yes.
the head had contact with a female person.
Yeah.
And he is saying what he knows is that the report says that the head had contact with a mixture of genders.
My Lord, can I just ask for a short adjournment because I do have this document. Yeah, I just want to look at that report.